January 10th, 7 a.m. Dollar and fiber. It's a Tuesday morning, New York session. And not much has happened last night over Asia and London range. We're going to be looking for potential continuations lower on dollar, higher prices on euro. It's going to mark up a couple things on dollar first. Oh, this was that fair value gap from yesterday. Just swept that. And we have some sell side liquidity here. And ultimately liquidity down here. Bearish order block. For the daily. We haven't taken yesterday's low yet, which I find is interesting. Prices reacting off of that. That daily busy. Sorry, I think the sipping of my morning coffee doesn't sound too great, but it is what it is. Might be an inside day. I'm going to mark out yesterday's high in purple. No, I'm just going to do white, and I'm just actually going to mark it here. We'll do yesterday high. I just want to look at this on the weekly just real fast here. Oh, weekly. There's a weekly busy here as well. So let me mark that out in gray. That's weekly. Weekly's next target there. But this could be a shifting point. We'll see. I don't think we made the low of the week on dollar. But I don't think we'll be going above yesterday's high. These are yesterday's sell stops. Something like that. Looks like we took it a couple days ago. Anyways. Still bearish on dollar. I want to see 102. I have 4 hour. Let me zoom out a little bit more here. Four-hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Really, really small one. Price could be retracing back up into that. It's also right where those sell stops were. Technically, I have a liquidity void right in there. There's no reason to take yesterday's high. I don't think we'll be getting above 103.758. We might just round up into here and roll off. This is yesterday's low. That's going to be our first target for the day. Let's go in and see what London and Asia did. Not too much. There we go. It's a little clearer imbalance in here on the hourly. Mark that up without the box feature. Yes, it's a little bit easier to see. And I'm going to keep the hourly up on my second monitor just so that I can see it better when the time comes. This London's high, it's definitely a target at the moment. Not too worried about that right this second. I have a little order block here, but price is overall heavy. So we're inside some consolidation. A couple things I'll be looking at this morning. When price gets above London's high. And if we break down from this consolidation, we'll respond off that level. But I don't want to draw that. Just a little sweep of the lows. Now we're attacking the highs. So we're looking to sell dollar inside that range. That's what I think. Let me go on the 15-minute here. Looks like we're attacking that buy side right now. We're approaching that hourly fair value gap here in a minute. I don't think price is going to reach far above 103.5. If we do, then it would be a change in bias, but I don't see bullish price action on dollar right now. Price is still heavy, so we're looking for lower prices, 1029 and lower. Eventually 1022 I think is still the next target for dollar. Let me just make sure there's no news today. Okay, Fed. Oops, sorry. Powell is speaking this morning at 9 a.m. So keep that in the back of our heads. 9 a.m. Buy side liquidity. All right, let's go into euro. On the daily. Same thing as dollar. We have not taken yesterday's high. I'm interested in this here. I'll put that there. Yesterday's, well, not yesterday's, but sell stops from the other day. And we have potential target 107,870. No fair value gaps like we saw on dollar. Could be potentially a. No, I wouldn't consider that a rejection block, but maybe it is. Technically, bullish order block, though I don't think we'll get down there. It's not today. All right. You clean this up. All right, 4 hour busy right there. Look at the lows from start of the trading day. London, or Asia and London, they're all getting taken out. That's getting taken out today. That's for sure. We're gonna sweep sell side here in a minute. I don't think I'm gonna be looking for shorts, but that's yesterday's high. Abbreviations. Want to see price hold inside that 4 hour fair value gap. We'll go on the hourly here as well. The other thing that I could use here, yeah, those are definitely getting taken out. All right, hourly imbalance. It's down here. We'll use this as our range. for the day. I didn't use this yesterday, but that's okay. I'll take us right to 4-3. Okay. We're looking for buys below that number, preferably inside that fair value gap. I just see this as a sell side sweep to continue higher. I don't see this as bearish price action just yet. I'm still bullish on euro. Definitely want to take yesterday's high. Potentially get up into 107.870. So 15-minute. Just the price has been so bullish, I can hardly, geez. Could definitely see a turtle soup buy situation beneath that low. There we go. Boy, look how yesterday's price action. No, that's NFP Friday. That's yesterday. Whew. Just dwarfs it. We may not get inside this hourly balance. We might sweep this and start reversing. So I'm going to be hunting that reversal and look for the classic market structure shift. Choppy price action from Asia, London. Now it's the waiting game. I think what would surprise me on euro is if we do not take yesterday's high. I think that would be very surprising. So waiting for the market to offer something. I wouldn't mind going short in there. Even though I want to be a buyer today, I feel like that would be a safe scalp. Let's take a look inside that 5-minute fair value gap here. Really don't trust these lows. I think that would be a safe short. 15-minute. Order block there. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. So I'm going to go back into a 1 minute. Consider a short scalp. Now, what is interesting right now, though, Euro hasn't taken its lows. Dollar's taken its highs. SMT. So you can see there's a larger fair value gap on the 15-minute. Wouldn't be comfortable opening a short unless we get inside that. It's not my setup. If we don't get up into that fair value gap, I think that'll make me even more comfortable the long below 107.143. So not super determined to short. Definitely want a long. But if we get a short entry for a quick scalp, that would be nice. Just looking at dollar and what it's doing on the 5-minute here. Don't think Euro's going to get that. I think we're just going to continue down and sweep the sell side. That's all right. Came in, filled that fair value gap. It's a little breakaway gap. And it's continuing up, and obviously Euro is continuing down. So wouldn't really consider that a missed opportunity. It was just a scalp idea, but we'll see. Dollar is breaching its hourly fair value gap, getting very close to it. Aggressively attacking sell side, while buy side, aggressively attacking buy side, while Euro is not really willing to go any lower. So I hope I don't miss a long entry here today. But We'll see what happens. Sell side swept. All right. That's a good sign. Okay, so we're gonna be looking for a long here shortly. It's almost 7:45. I think we'll be seeing lower prices on dollar. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's see what I see. Sometimes the 1 minute chart gets you trapped. Gotta zoom out. Approaching those sell stops. And no. Oh. 103, 420, whereabouts. It's a good number to see price reverse, but still want to get below 107, 143 on euro, which here we go. If I see a shift in market structure on the 1 minute here, I might buy, even though we have this fair value gap left open. Dollar has fulfilled my requirements to go short. I would prefer euro to get in that fair value gap though, both on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Dollar on 15 minute looks pretty bullish though. So I might get trapped, but I'm submitting to the idea we could go long in euro in that range. It's still early in the session. Plus volatility around 9 a.m. Of course, if I'm looking to go short on dollar, long on euro, I'd want to see dollar breakdown as well. I don't just want to see something going on with euro. Wouldn't have been much of a scalp, but that's what a scalp is. We'll go back on the 5 minute here. Still have sell side on this end. Dollar has taken its buy side that would be equivalent to that. Right there. That's the equivalent. See, show you on the 5 minute. So if dollar decides to reverse here, that would be SMT. Dollar takes that while euro holds it intact. That's why I'm not going to be so married, I guess. I'm not saying I absolutely have to buy below that low. Dollar has already taken its buy side liquidity. It would be ready to switch directions here. If I decide to go long, 107.8 I think would be a safe target for the day. Dollars inside its 4-hour fair value gap. Still don't think it's bullish. I think that's just retracement. I don't think that's a reversal or a shift in market structure to be bullish for here or there. Take a look at one more time on the daily here. Very heavy swept sell side last 2 days, or buy side. I'm going lower. Yeah, I don't think that's a buy. I'm starting to doubt myself here, but dollar looks like it wants to go a little higher inside its hourly fair value gap on the 5 minute. Euros in a sell program. I really wanted to be a buyer on euro today. But we'll see what happens. This looks like a 15-minute breaker. So I'm going to draw that out. At the premium end of the hourly fair value gap. Really nice alignment. Did I say 15-minute? I meant the hourly fair value gap. Nice to see those sell stops taken out. Almost 8 o'clock. $8 a.m. Let's revisit the hourly. Oh, I clicked it. That's okay. We could be making a reversal here. Would make sense on dollar. Euro, we never got in that fair value gap, but that's why you got both charts up. This is change that color here. No, too dark. What did I change? I changed something. What? What did I change the purple? I don't know what I changed the purple. Oh well. The other thing too is dollars returning to those sell stops. So let's take a look at this on the 1 minute. Oh, looking heavy, looking heavy. Even though it's Tuesday, price action's not as clean as yesterday. Expecting volatility around 9, so might not be able to open a trade until after 9, depending on what happens from here on out. Obviously, I don't see a trade at the moment. Definitely not a buy. What is yesterday's low? All the way down here. Gosh, I keep doing that. Technically, I have two. Technically, I have two windows open. Okay. Let's see. At this point, I would want to see something that would make me comfortable to buy either on the 5 or 15 minute. Definitely don't see it on the 1 minute, but in terms of, hold on 1 second. Uh-oh. Mac. Who signed into my thing? Mac. My Mac computer's off. Anyways, I was seriously considering a long there, but as a turtle soup long, I'm not comfortable with that setup. Price is bullish here. We should see something else that I could buy, not just that. But if we're gonna reverse, I think it'll be here. Take a look at dollar on the 5 minute. Look how we stayed inside that gap. I think that's the 4 hour. Yeah. Look how body has stayed inside. That's really clean. Dollar hit every requirement to go short on dollar. Euro, we didn't hit every requirement, but we did sweep the sell side. I don't think this low / hourly fair value gap is a must to go long. I don't think dollar's going to hold up here. I really do think we're going to be reversing here shortly if we haven't already begun to do so. So what am I waiting for? Something a little more clear on the 5 or 15 minute. Technically still bearish in a way. Feeling a fair value gap. Could continue a little bit lower. Although I do think dollar has made the high of the session. So let's see if we get, there it is. I'm going to open a long. Not the best entry by any stretch of the imagination. I'm probably going to get smoked. First trade of the week. Even though it's paper trade, I still get my heart still races. I wonder if my idea really was dollar made its high. Probably would have been a better area to short dollar, long euro, but live and learn. I was too focused on this little fair value gap. Of course, I didn't get in that fair value gap, but my idea could be wrong entirely too. It's starting to look like it is. That's okay. Live and learn. Oh boy. I don't think I like this trade. Am I gonna hold? Probably. When I get stopped out, it'll be time for coffee. for sure. It was just a bad time to open a trade. So why don't you close the trade? Well, it's a good question. I don't know the answer to that question. I mean, part of me really wants the short dollar right here. So, I don't know. Might do one of these, sweep below again, and then reverse type of situations, but it wasn't my setup. It wasn't a setup, I don't think. $8.25. Really need to see dollar do something bearish here, but I feel like I'm more likely wrong than I am right on a turning point here. Well, I should probably get out while I can. I don't see a scenario to sell it either. I don't see any reason for euro to go lower than where my stop is, because I don't see dollar to have any reason to really go much higher. It's inside its 4-hour fair value gap right now. It's not getting above. Don't you love that? Comes right up to your entry point and then slams down. Let's go take this back to the 15. Don't think we'll get there without getting stopped out, but that's the other reason for recording the sessions. I'm really interested in 8:30. What happens at 8:30? Minute 30 till 8:30. Yeah, it's taken its sweet time. I'm probably get stopped out right at 8:30. Mm, 5 seconds. Yeah, that is bad. Not to mention my entry is like at the tippy top. I definitely got caught in that trap. Just that little blip was enough for me to get excited, and that's kind of embarrassing. I know better than that. Price is very lethargic this morning as well. I'd just be very surprised if we don't take yesterday's high. "30 minutes till news, till Powell talks about whatever he talks about. I don't know. We'll definitely consider re-entering the market after that if we get stopped out. Order block. It's... oh, this is so bad. This is not looking good. So why are you holding? I feel like I need to lose. Like, I feel like I need to get stopped out sometimes. Entering, exit really fast and all that stuff, it sometimes kills me. If I submit to an idea, I want to get stopped out sometimes. That's going to be it right now. Oh, we're getting to that area where I wanted a long before. Oh well. Oh well. Let's wait. Let's make a cup of coffee. Let's wait. Oh, disappointed in myself for opening that trade. Definitely wasn't a good look on the 5 minute. And of course, I was holding on for dear life, thinking it was going to reverse, but we took a loss. I don't. Euro definitely wants that fair value gap, apparently. I just don't. I don't see a bearish scenario. I really don't. From a higher time frame basis, I don't see it. Gonna have to wait till 9. I don't think anything's gonna happen till then. All right, so dollar just touched its breaker. Just about nipped it. Technically, we didn't touch it, but we're just about there. $15 minutes to 9. That's what I'm focused on. To inject the volatility. Really, now I'm very certain dollar wants to get in that fair value, or euro wants to get in that fair value gap. Just decided to enter without any real reason. Got too excited. So, lesson learned, maybe. I keep saying lesson learned, and I keep doing the same thing over again. Okay, still waiting for 9. Wasn't thinking about re-entering so soon, since we didn't get in that hourly fair value gap on euro. But of course, looks like euro is having a shift in market structure leading up to 9 a.m. We wait. We wait. Okay. Now we can start getting ready to long euro again. Gosh, I keep doing that. Well, the reason why I want to look into I keep doing that. The reason why I want to look into long in euro, we had a shift in market structure on 5 minute on dollar. And this here, we broke that low. If that holds, that'll be a breaker as well. We'll see how we close on the 15 minute. According to the proprietary trading firms, certain news events, you can't trade 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. So in the spirit of that, I will wait 2 minutes to open a long. All right, bring on the fireworks. Let's go. That hurts. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, that hurts a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Thinking I was long down here. Had my stop set to the equal lows. What? Saw a little opportunity right here. Didn't take it in because I was waiting for 9. 9 o'clock rolls around. And we are off to the races. Dollar's breaking down. We're going to go long here in a second. Keep this on a 5-minute. Would like to get in there. Might not get it. I would expect to see an opportunity present itself. I sure hope I didn't miss it. Dollar seems to just be rolling off. Yeah, not gonna lie, this hurts a little bit. It's gorgeous. 5-minute candle. Strong shift in market structure. We might be off to the races here. I don't really know what to think about it. Really wanted to get in today. Try to get in. That was not a great position. Stopped out. It's a little frustrating. But you live and we learn. Damn. I don't know if we'll get it, but if we get in here, I'm gonna long. I'll set my stop down here. Yeah, set a stop down there. Dollar's looking good. What I would like to happen is 15 or 5 minutes to just dip into that little gap right there and continue upwards. Could be a breakaway gap, and I might not find a long entry, but it's always tomorrow. We're going to be waiting. We're going to target 107.8. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. I think I could reasonably set my stop below here, but overall bias for the day was accurate, it seems. So that's a plus. Expecting reversal on fiber to attack yesterday's high and even higher, like 107.8 to 107.9. Potentially higher, but I'll be happy with 107.8 for sure. Come on. Anyone who's short in here is knocked out. Let's see how the market knocks out any long positions, if it already didn't do so because of what I did. Jeez. Still disappointed in that. It was not the trade that I was hoping for this morning. You know what? I think we can safely put that there. When we break that high, I'll retrace back to break even. About to open 15-minute. I think this is all balanced price range. I don't think we're gonna return back down there. Though we could retrace a little bit deeper. So let me take that back. All right, 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens with that. And let's see, 15-minute on dollar. Just on the other side. We shouldn't get back up into here. That would be good. So I just drew a little line right there. I don't think price is going to want to reverse, but again, could be wrong and take 2 losses today. I still think we're going to reach up to 107.866, but like I stated, 107.8 is it's more than enough for me today. Might consider another entry here shortly, depending on how this 5-minute closes. Might leave this gap open for the 15-minute. I might stick around to fill that in, but I really want to see price start moving away from this area. I don't like it hanging around for too much longer. I don't even know what Mr. Powell is talking about right now. Was considering a second entry right there, but I have a feeling we might dip back into that 5-minute fair value gap. I'm in, so it doesn't matter if I don't get in again, if I don't scale in a position. Oh. I don't think this fair value gap or this little breakaway gap is going to get filled at all. But for my own peace of mind, I'm sending my stop loss just below it. Don't think we'll go below that. The reason why I say my own peace of mind, I'm still getting comfortable with breakaway gaps. Knowing when to expect them to stay open and when to expect them to be filled. Any gaps at all. Sometimes I see a fair value gap and I think it's a breakaway gap, and I decide, oh, that's a breakaway gap. I'll set my stop right there, and then I get stopped out because it goes to fill in that gap and then reverses on me. So I'm comfortable with losing another $176 if it comes to that, but I don't think it will. I'm hoping that 15-minute low stays open, and then the next 15-minute candle just dips in and then continues upwards for a eye of Fed on the 15-minute. If we don't hit our objective by 10, I'll leave this open so I can take care of the other stuff that I have to take care of at 10. And once we hit the objective or once we get stopped out, I will close it just so that I can have that logged. That's definitely what we would call institutional. Not support, but what's the word? Sponsorship? Maybe just displacement. I'm much more confident in those upward projections. 107.6, 107.8. I do think we're going to go above 107.850 into 107.9. But 107.8 is my piece of the pie. I will not be upset with that. That's what I would want anyways out of this trade. Even if I don't re-enter, that would be a good trade. Kind of cover that loss I took this morning. I'll adjust my stop when this 15-minute candle closes if we're on a strong run. I'm not so worried about my stop at the moment. Honestly, looking for a second entry. Classic bull flag. So I'm not trusting this low right here. Sure, anyone else who's getting in is aggressively trailing their stops. So if we get below here, I will consider re-entering, no issue. Not re-entering, but scaling in another position. Do half of the position that I just entered on. Could have got in here, but it happened too fast. Of course, I don't have the live data feed, so it's going to be a little wonky. I was too close to the 2-minute mark for me to feel comfortable entering. This was a much more, in my opinion, a better entry, safer entry anyways. Might get below it just a little bit. We might take out that low. I'm not too sure. I would like to see the 15-minute nip in that fair value gap. But could be a breakaway at the same time. Who knows? On dollar, some might consider this a breaker, but I feel like we already violated that breaker idea by getting below the lows of the bodies here. Really don't think dollar is bullish. I think that's just retracement to go lower. But again, could be wrong. All right, so 15-minute new candle. Would like to see a re-entry potentially below there. But obviously price is looking bullish, so could be a breakaway. 5 minute. A lot of dicking around. Same thing on dollar as well. There's a little gap here. I think dollar would be more inclined to touch that. Some people might see this as resistance. I do not. That's exactly what I want to see. That strengthens my idea of a bullish scenario for euro. Yeah, look at that. It's gorgeous. This would be a trade I would feel much better losing on than the trade I took this morning. The trade I took this morning was not a good trade. I saw the equal lows and I was like, nah, it doesn't matter. It mattered, obviously. If I lose on this trade, I'll have better data to study why I lost and where I went wrong and all that good stuff. That was just sloppy trading on my part. All right, we might just be continuing upward here. So I'll trail it up to there. We took those stops. Not really seeing an area that I would want to re-enter in at just yet. Don't know if I will re-enter. Maybe up here. But we're continuing our way. Solid 10 points right now. I think now if we get below that low, that would be asking too much. So we'll set our stop there. Dollar's looking good. Next target's that low. We are currently approaching yesterday's high on euro. Much closer to yesterday's high on euro than we are to yesterday's low on dollar. Looks like we're just getting started here on this run. We got more news at 10 for dollar. Light news, final wholesale investors, whatever that means, I'm not too sure. Aussie has CPI tonight. Look at that. Consider this an order block. There's two candles there. Not a trade I'm comfortable entering on. We got very close to yesterday's high, so very confident we're going to be taking that today. Dollar still looks bearish. I'm going to readjust this because we still have news. I'm going to put that back. I know I keep moving that up and down. But we could still get into that 15-minute now that I'm looking at it again. Dollar just took London's low, late London. It's having some sort of reaction off that level. This is also that CB that we drew out at the beginning. Still looking for yesterday's low to be taken out. I think the high of the day has been priced. Still considering re-entering in that 15-minute fair value gap. Don't see any reason for price to come back down here. If it does, then I'm wrong. And that's okay. Again, I'd much rather lose on a trade like this than the trade that I lost on this morning. The only thing that has me a little concerned is how we scrape that CB, that daily CB, and start reversing after taking the low. Might be tipping me off, but I still think euro is bullish, especially after yesterday's trading. I don't think we made the high of the week. I think we made the low of the day. I really do. I really think that's the low of the day. Getting ready to re-enter. Dollar's not yet inside its fair value gap, so I'm waiting a little bit longer. All right. 9:45. I'd be surprised if dollar doesn't get into its 15-minute. Surprised if it doesn't get in there. I'm watching dollar a little bit closer than I am watching euro, to be honest with you. There it goes. wish I could set a stop loss on dollar for euro. Buy the dip. Anyone who went long is probably knocked out now. All right. I want to see some sparks. I'm starting to sweat. I couldn't have been a Judas swing. Come on. I'm glad I adjusted that stop loss too. But maybe not. Maybe I should have been knocked out. Oof. Well, down just a little bit more. Dollar really should not be going much higher now. Starting to make me nervous. Punching back into that range. What is going on? Of course, it's almost 10 o'clock. I gotta go soon. Okay, that's what I want to see. I need that to be stronger, though. Am I going to consider another entry? You betcha. Half of the half. Show that to there. Now, I think retail traders are completely out of the market. Maybe I should be too. It's funny. Okay, I'm going to go in there. I'm going to go right inside that fair value gap, that 1 minute fair value gap right there, if we get it. Last position on. Now we wait. Want to see dollar start breaking down? It's not, which is wonderful. It's hard to know exactly what I'm feeling right now. You see down close candles, you get nervous, but you see the setups, you see what you've studied and what price should do, and in my mind I'm thinking 107.8, 107.9 definitely, but obviously I'm not always right. Yesterday caught me off guard. Had a losing trade this morning. Price might be held for the time being, since a little news is coming out at 10. Really don't think we should take this low if we're bullish. I think the low of the day has been booked. But I really wanted to see price start moving away by now. So I'm a little nervous. $10 a.m. Gonna have to get off in a minute here. I'm either right or I'm wrong. Obviously. Oh my god. Fuck. Sorry, I feel like I did this morning. Just holding on for dear life. What am I doing? I should get out. Just spending way too much time. Oh, I think we are off sides today. Just for shits and giggles. I'll take that a little bit lower. Oh. Let me get my other thing set up that I gotta do. Let this run. Starting to see something a little better than what we were seeing. Markets still were just annoying. Was not expecting such lethargic price action after 9 a.m. I still feel like we have to take yesterday's high though before 12. I just feel like we have to do that. But again, I could be entirely wrong. We'll see. Okay, that has me feeling a little bit better. I was sweating bullets there for a second. I was surprised that dollar went all the way up in there. Almost refilled that. In my mind, that should have been left open, but wasn't exactly on point with that. It's okay. Now, part of me has me thinking maybe I should reduce my stop or my take profit just to yesterday's high, but I've seen plenty of times where after 10:30 prices continuing on its program upwards to those higher time frame objectives. So I would like to see that happen. I'm much more comfortable with my stop at this point. I still think that we're going to get there. Now is the waiting game. It is taking its time though. Could be a rejection block. I just would be very surprised if we don't take yesterday's high. I mean, that would just really mess with my head. Just really would mess with me. We wait. I'm gonna get out here. This is not moving well. It's really messing with my head. I'm not sure what's going on. Might run, might hit my objectives. I'm not too sure. That was just really frustrating. So oh well. Back at it tomorrow.